do, and I want you guys to try out, is adding an image to your biography page. It doesn't have to be a picture of you. It could be a picture of anybody. I'm going to put a picture of somebody, not me. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to start with image as img, and then I now need to get a source for what that image is, and that will be image source src, and the source will equal, and then you got to put in quotes. You notice it put two sets of quotes here, and it put the cursor in the middle. Okay, and then you'll close that tag. Now, image is the one of the ones when I said it's a self-closing tag, meaning you don't need a close image tag. Okay, you don't need that, so don't worry about it. Instead, you can put that slash at the end, or you can actually leave it off. And so once you're done, that image will actually look like this. And the reason why I pasted it is because I couldn't remember all of this source file. So let's talk a little bit about how you go about getting an image that's already hosted online so that you can use it. I did this, pulled it from my own personal website. However, you may not have your own personal website. So let's find one where you could go to it. So let's say, for example, you went to the Roanoke Salem Homeschool site, and you went to, let's say, the About page, and go to our team. You'll notice there's a picture of Rebecca. So you would then find that picture, and you would right click on it. Okay, and inside that right click, somewhere you'll see the image address. Okay, you're going to copy that. So now I'm going to come back to my CodePen document, and then I'll paste the address for the photo of Rebecca. Okay, you notice that it took the size of her actual photo. So if I go and change it back to the old photo, you'll notice it now got smaller. All right, now we can actually change things like the width equals 150. When I change that, you'll notice it got smaller. The height and the width are going to stay locked in step. Now I could make it different. I could say height equals 150 also, and you'll notice that it'll become square, so it squashes it down. But if you only name one of them, the other will become proportionally correct. Okay, so again, you're going to start with image. You're going to say source. So image is img, source is src. You'll do an equal sign. You'll do an equal sign. You'll start with a quote, and you'll end with a quote. Then inside that quote, you will paste the domain name and address of the photo. Okay, you can specify the width if you'd like. If you'd like to find a good photo, go to the Roanoke Salem Homeschool website, go to About, to Our Team, and you can find a picture of Rebecca or Miss Lana in there. And feel free if you'd like to use those, because those are already hosted. Again, to get that photo, you right click on the photo and find the place where it says image address. You want to copy that image address, and then inside your CodePen, paste that image address into the source.